Only 1% of people can ace this science and nature quiz. Think you're one of them? Which of the following spacecraft never touched the moon? The answer is Mariner 4. What are human nails made of? The answer is keratin. About how old is Earth? The answer is 4.5 billion years. What is the atomic number of the element strontium? The answer is 38. What stage of development do the majority of eukaryotic cells remain in for most of their life? The answer is interphase. How do you do? Comment your score below, like and subscribe for more quiz challenges.